What if your new house didn't just feel like a place to live, but a place to celebrate? What if the moment guests stepped inside, they felt warmth, comfort, and a sense of belonging? A housewarming party isn't just about showing a new home. It's about sharing a new beginning. It's about opening your doors, your space, and your heart to the people who matter most. Imagine soft lighting glowing in every corner, welcoming decor that feels personal, cozy touches that make guests want to stay longer, and a home that feels instantly loved and lived in. Today, we're creating housewarming party decoration ideas that feel warm, stylish, and unforgettable. Decor that turns a house into a home.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are decorations important for a housewarming party? Housewarming decorations set the emotional tone of the entire celebration. They help guests feel welcomed, relaxed, and excited to be part of your new chapter. Decorations communicate warmth before a word is spoken. They show care, pride, and joy in your new space. They help transform an empty or newly furnished house into a place filled with life and energy. When your home feels thoughtfully decorated, guests feel comfortable exploring, connecting, and celebrating with you. Decorations turn a simple gathering into a meaningful milestone. If you love cozy home celebrations, tap like and feel the warmth. What color palettes work best for housewarming party decor? Housewarming colors should feel inviting and balanced. They should enhance the home rather than overwhelm it. Neutral tones create calm and warmth. Earthy shades bring comfort and grounding energy. Soft pastels add charm and freshness. Metallic accents add subtle celebration without feeling too bold. The best palette complements your home's natural style. When colors blend effortlessly with the space, the celebration feels organic and welcoming. Subscribe for more home decor and celebration inspiration. How can lighting make a housewarming party feel cozy? Lighting shapes how a home feels emotionally. For a housewarming party, it should feel warm and welcoming. Soft lamps create comfort. Candles add intimacy and charm. String lights bring gentle celebration energy. The right lighting makes every room feel inviting. It encourages guests to relax, talk, and enjoy the space. Lighting transforms rooms into moments. Check the description for lighting ideas featured in this housewarming setup. How can entryway decor set the tone for the party? The entryway is the first impression of your home. It sets expectations for what's inside. A styled entry feels intentional and welcoming. Decorative accents add charm. Fresh scents and soft lighting create comfort immediately. When guests step inside and feel warmth right away, they feel at ease. The entryway becomes a gentle invitation to celebrate. Save this video to your playlist for entryway styling ideas. How can decorative accents make the house feel lived in? Decorative accents add soul to a space. They make a new house feel like home. Personal items add authenticity. Textures create warmth. Greenery brings life and freshness. These accents don't just decorate, they tell your story. They show guests that this space is loved and intentional. Check the description for decor accents used in this home. How can table decor bring guests together during a housewarming party? Tables naturally gather people. Decorating them encourages connection. A thoughtfully styled table invites guests to sit, snack, and talk. Simple centerpieces add charm without clutter. Layered textures add warmth and personality. When tables feel welcoming, guests linger longer. They become spaces for laughter, stories, and shared moments. Like and share this video if you love cozy table styling. How can greenery and florals enhance a housewarming party? Plants and florals bring life into a new home. They symbolize growth and new beginnings. Fresh greenery softens spaces. Floral arrangements add joy and color. Natural elements create balance and calm. Greenery connects the home to nature, making it feel peaceful and inviting. It adds warmth without overwhelming the decor. Comment whether you prefer fresh flowers or indoor plants. And that is how you create beautiful housewarming party decorations, warm, welcoming, and full of heart. This is decor that celebrates new beginnings, decor that invites connection, decor that turns a house into a home. Light the candles, open the doors, fill the space with laughter, because a home becomes truly special the moment it's shared.